Good morning, children. Welcome to online class of St. Joseph's Academy, Mariam Nagar, Ghaziabad. Children, today we are going to do part 2 section of Measures of Capacity, chapter 18 of class 3rd Maths Junior book. In this, we are going to understand the conversion, that is changing milliliter into liters and liters into milliliters. Let's start it. Now, children, we will do the homework part first, which I gave you yesterday to solve that. That was matching. Now see the first question. 5 medicine caps with 10 ml of liquid in each. It means number of caps are 5 and each cap is having 10 ml of medicine. Now 5 into 10 ml will be your 50 ml. Okay. Now you have to match it. Which cup is having 50 ml? Now first is written 100 ml cup half full. That means 100 ml divided by 2 equal to 50 ml. It is half. That's why you will divide it by 2. And the next cup is having 100 ml cup full. It is totally 100 ml. So it is not matching. The first one is matching. Okay, now see the second question. 500 ml cups. You can count it. Number of cups are 5 and in each cup 100 ml liquid is there. So multiply 5 into 100 ml. It will be equal to 500 ml. Now which bottle is 500 ml? It is clearly written there, children. So that you can match it. 500 ml bottle, second one. Now the third question, children. Two bottles are there and two 500 ml bottles. Now each bottle is of 500 ml. So there are number of bottles are 2. So 2 into 500 ml will be equal to 1000 ml. Now find out. Now two flasks are given. The first one is 1 liter flask full. That means 1 liter means it is having 1000 ml. Okay, children, full is written. So that's why 1000. 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml. And the other flask is 1 liter flask half full. That is means it is half. So when you will divide 1 liter by half, that is when 1000 by 2, it will be 500 ml. So it is not the equal to 1000 ml. It should be equal to 1000 ml bottle. So first one is the correct one. Now see the last question. 10 500 ml mugs. The number of mugs are 10 and it is of 500 ml. Okay, now when you will multiply, you will get 5000 ml. Now you have to find out which bucket is 5000 ml, equal to 5000 ml. Now you can see the first bucket, it is 10 liter bucket full. Full means complete, that is it is totally 10 liter. Now 10 liter means 10 into 1000, that will be equal to 10,000. So it is not equal. Now see the second one, it is 10 liter bucket half full. Half means you will divide 10,000 by 2, so you will get 5000 ml. So this is the answer. Now children, let's do the exercise 18A, first part, that is change into milliliters. As I told you children earlier also that 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters. Whenever you will change milliliters to liters, you will divide by 1000. But when you will change liters to milliliters, you will multiply by 1000. Now here you have to change liters into milliliters. Now 3 liter is equal to, it will be, you will multiply with 1000, it will be 3000 ml or milliliters. B part 7 liter. Now again you multiply by 1000, 7 with 1000, you will get 7000 ml. See the second question, children. Second A part, 7 liter 400 milliliters. This you have to change into milliliters, children. So the part which is already in milliliter, that you don't have to change it, that you will add it. Only the liter part you have to change. Now 7 liter you will change into milliliters first. So 7 multiplied by 1000, it is equal to 7000 milliliters. Add 400 ml with it, you will get the answer 7400 milliliters. Same way children, B part also, 3 liters 98 milliliters. Change liters part only, that is 3 liters. It will be equal to 3000 milliliters by multiplying by 1000. Then add 98 with it. Both are in milliliters now. Now you add it and you will get the answer 3098 milliliters. Now see the C part children, 2 liters 45 milliliters. Here also you have to change into milliliters. Now 2 liter is changed into milliliters by multiplying 2 into 1000. It will be equal to 2000 milliliters. Add 45 with it. Now it will be equal to 2045 milliliters. Now see the next question, children. And don't forget that whenever you will change milliliters to liters, you have to divide by 1000. Now here in this question you have to change into liters, and the questions are given in milliliters. Now see the first one, 2000 milliliters. This you have to change into liters, so you will divide by 1000. Count the number of 0 in the denominator. Children, 3 are there, and same on the numerator also, 3. Cut down that and you will get 2 liters. Or if you do by the long division method, 1000 twos are 2000. So this way also you can do it, but this will be more easy. You can count the number of zeros and cut it with the numerator part. How many zeros are there? According to that you cut it. Now see the B part, 3000 milliliters. Again you divide by 1000. It will be equal to 3 liters. Now children, we have to do change into liters and milliliters. That means liters and milliliters, both the part you have to get the answer. Now first question is 1745 milliliters. This you have to change into liters and milliliters. As it is given in milliliters, which is a smaller unit, but you have to change into bigger unit, that is liters. So you will divide it by 1000. So now count down the number of zeros given in the denominator, that is 3. Now you count down the number on the numerator from the right hand side, that is 745. So that will be milliliters, and the rest part before that will be liters. You will write the bigger unit earlier, then you will write the smaller unit. So 1 liter 745 milliliters. Or if you divide also, 1000 ones are 1000. So when you will minus with 1745, you will get the remainder 745. The remainder part is the smaller unit, and the quotient part, that is 1, which we have got, that will be your liters, bigger unit. Okay. Then B part, children, 4512 milliliters. Divide by 1000. Count down the number of numbers given on the numerator, that is 3. Numbers you have to count down, as the number of zeros are 3 in the denominator. So 512 will be milliliters and 4 will be your liter. And if you divide 1000 fours are 4000. Now 4000 you subtract from 4512. So your remainder will be 512 and quotient is 4. So 4 will be liters and 512 will be milliliters. Then C part, children, 2500 ml. Divided with 1000, you will get the answer 2 liter 500 ml or milliliters. Children, now there is a homework for you from exercise 18A. That is, from question 1, you have to do change into milliliters, C and D part. Question 2, change into milliliters again, D and E part. Question 3, change into liters, C and D part. Question 4, change into liters and milliliters, D to F part. This you will do in your copy nicely and neatly. I hope you have understood it. Now children, what we learned today? We learned how to match or how to find which one is given in liters or milliliters. Then we learned conversion of units of liters into milliliters and milliliters into liters. I hope you have understood this topic. So complete it nicely in your copy. With this, thank you.